Hi guys. So this will be my first vlog and it's super weird to talk to the camera, but I am a recovering introvert. So I'm trying to build my confidence. So today what we will do is we're gonna blow dry my hair, blow out my hair, and we're gonna style it. So because this is I just got my bangs here. It's so weird now, but I'm going to style it. So it looks neat. This is like I just showered, and then we're gonna do a leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for quite a while now. This is from Sweden, so it's for curly hair. Before, I don't really like style my hair, like blow out it, but I recently discovered that if you blow out your hair, like it's so soft and you don't really have to go to the salon to you don't have to go to the salon all the time just to style your hair. So I learned it myself. So there. So I'm just trying to even it out. So now it's very even out. Now I'm just using a brush, a wooden brush it there. Now we are going to heat protect it. So this is also Tresemme with protect. So this I also recently started using. This is to protect it. So we're just gonna. So I noticed that if you always style your hair, tends to break easily. But luckily, I have the genes. I have the genes of thick hair, so I don't have to worry. I mean, I worry about breaking, but I have to protect it still because we're aging. So now we're very protected. Going to blow dry it. I'll just get my prop. So our weapon for today is our Dyson. So first, we're gonna use this attachment. It's just the blow dry attachment. If you don't have this, it's okay. Don't worry. It's just like an expensive blower. You can use your blower at home. This is just me maximizing the Dyson because it's very expensive. Setting is like cold. I know, high fan and then cold also. So we're just gonna blow her. We have to make it 80% dry. It's now like 80-ish% dry. What we're going to do is change this attachment. So this is like the flat brush. I usually use this before the curling, so it's easier. Sorry, high high fan and then red again. Applying lang natin my hair when it's dried. It's like wavy. Na ganun style. So para ma-style mo siya, pwede English yung English, pwede naman pala Tagalog. So i-blow dry lang natin ulit siya. Round brush. Kuha round brush. So, blow out mo siya ng palabas. Let's do it. Palabas yan. And then, set to cool lang for like 8 seconds. Dito, wala ka ng maliit na roller para para kumulat siya ng maganda. Yan. Okay, so i-clip na natin siya. Ganito. Yan. Okay. Now, ito na sa baba. So, the look na I want is parang big waves. So, what we do is we get our mousse. So, this is the mousse. It's only like Giovanni. Wait, you can see. There, Giovanni. You can get this in Watson's anywhere. So, let's just use this. So, this is for like styling. Para talagang bugs na bugs. We can now start the curling. So today, ang gagamitin lang natin ay round brush the whole time. So section your hair, don't forget, always. So how you section it? Etong ear mo, kukuha ka lang ng ganyan. Tapos pataas. Tapos, i-click mo lang ulit. Okay. So, tignan mo. Okay. Yan. So, ito yung first part. So again, same lang din. Hot and then highest, how do you say that? Highest air. I had a vlog. Okay. So, wait, pag wala pa siya, pag ganito, diba? Tataas, and then, i-round mo lang siya. And then, tataas mo tong Dyson. Tapos, i-comb mo lang pag ganito. Palabas. There. Tapos, yung curl niya nasa dulo. Again, pag ganyan. And then, ikot-ikotin mo lang. Then, palabas. Yan, kita mo curl. So, ganun ulit. Nalalagay na natin siya ng heat. If you want na mas mataas yung curl, papaabutin mo siya dito sa room. So, let's try. See? Nasa may log niya siya. So, then, mataas yung kulot niya. Tinaka sa kabila. Ito mo lang doon. Pataas. Ikot mo siya sa rod. Okay, next. Hindi na tayo sa taas. So, ang next section is like, yung taas lang. Like an inch na taas sa tanga mo. So, get that part. Get that part! So, taas mo ulit. Clip mo lang ulit yung hair mo. Kuha ka lang muna, first section. So, iwan mo lang yan. And then, kunin mo itong part mo. So, hot mo na. You see that, right? And so, for a long way. Then we go here. Ta-da! section. So, ito na yung parang middle. Dito ko medyo na-stress sa pag-section kasi parang kapal ng hair ko dito sa taas. So, well, I'm grateful for that. It's just that when you're sectioning it, it's so hard. Pero, it's okay. I can do it. Mm. Yes. Go in the next section. Kaya dito yung medyo mahirap sa likod. Pero kaya na rin to. Trickiest. Very elegant waves, diba? Now we go to the top section. This one is like the very most important part. So, nakalagay natin ito. Paloob. Then we're just gonna spray some volumizer. Wait natin mga 10 minutes para mag-set tong taas. Okay? Tatanggalin na natin siya. Yes. Ayan. You see, there's a lot of volume and it still looks so pretty. Medyo naninibago pa ako sa bangs ko, so hindi ko pa maintindihan kung paano ko siya gagawin. Pero if you have any suggestions how to style my bangs, let me know. I also put it on this side.